All right. So tell us why they call it the Texan.
Well, we have this emblem. It's from a Dodge in 56 to 59. Dodge made a few cars that they put the Texan emblem on because a lot of the owners of the Dodge Corporation were oil men from Texas and they wanted their own vehicle. So they made a few of those, and I've never seen but two personally. But a friend of mine had a wrecking yard where we used to live, and he had wrecked out an old car, and that was laying on the ground out there one day when I was out there, and he gave me that. And so I thought when we built this truck, Tom built it. It's built in Texas by a Texan. So I thought it just looked good on the dash.
What are the chances?
Yeah, so that's a pretty rare emblem there, but so we just call the truck the Texan.
Definitely.